Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I am Teacher Anton na maggagabay at magtuturo sa inyo ng ilang pamaraan kung paano mag-solve ng math. So ngayon, ang topic ko ay geometric series. A geometric series is a sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. A finite geometric series has finite number of terms. The general formula is a sub 1 plus a sub 1 r plus a sub 1 r squared plus a sub 1 r to the power of 3 plus dot plus a sub 1 r to the power of n. That's called the finite geometric series, the general formula. How about the infinite? An infinite geometric series has finite number of terms. The general formula is a sub 1 plus a sub 1 r plus a sub 1 r squared plus a sub 1 r to the power of 3 plus dot. It means the ellipse. It means infinite. No ending of numbers. But the finite has an exact or an end of numbers. How about the formula? Here are the sum of the finite geometric sequence. The formula is S sub n is equals to a sub 1 minus a sub 1 over power of n 1 minus r, or S sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r to the power of n 1 minus r close parenthesis. Then for the infinite, the sum of an infinite geometric sequence is S sub infinite equals a sub 1 over 1 minus r. The questions here is solve for the indicated sum of terms in the following finite geometric questions. Number 1 is S sub 6. The sequence are 150, 25. First, you need to find the ratio of the sequence before you apply the formula to get the S sub 6 or the n term. What is the formula of common ratio? Is to divide the second term from the first term. So what is the value of first term? A sub 1 is equals to 100 from the given, and a sub 2 equals 50, r, which is the ratio, a sub 2 over a sub 1. Substitute 50 over 100. Then 50 over 100. Simplify by divided by 50. 50 divided by 50, 100 divided by 50 is equals to 2. So the ratio is 1/2. Let's start and apply the formula, which is S sub n is equals a sub 1 minus a sub 1 times r to the power of n 1 minus r. So this is the formula. Continue. A S sub 6. That is the question that we need to find the value. What is the value of a sub 1? 100 minus 100 times r. What is the value of r? 1/2 to the power of 6, which is the n, and 1 minus 1/2. Continue. S sub 6. First you will do is to solve the 1/2 to the power of 6. One half to the power of 6 is equals to 1 over 64 times 1 minus 1/2. 6 sub 6, 100. So now 100 times 1 over 64 is equals to 25 over 16. Then 1 minus 1/2 equals 1/2. Now, you subtract 100 minus 25 over 16 is equals to 1,575 over 16 over 1/2. S sub 6 equals, now divide 1,575 over 16. Reciprocal of 1/2 is times 2 over 1. 1,575 times 2 is equals to 3,150 over 16 times 1 is equals to 16. S sub 6 equals, you can simplify that 3,150 over 16, yes, 3,150 over 16 divided by both sides by 2. 3,150 times divided by 2 equals 1,575 over 16 divided by 2, 8. S sub 6 is equals to 1,575 over 8, or in a mixed fraction has 196 over 7 over 8. So this is the final answer. So the value of S sub 6 is 196 7 over 8. The questions of number 2 is the sequence are 1, negative 4, and positive 16. First, find the value of a sub 1 equals 1, a sub 2, negative 4. Then find the ratio is to divide the second term from the first term. A sub 2 over a sub 1. Negative 4 divided by 1 is equals to negative 4. So the value of ratio is negative 4. So now you have the value of ratio. Then find the S term of 5. The formula S sub n equals a sub 1, 1 minus r to the power of n, and 1 minus r. S sub 5, what is the value of a sub 1? Positive 1. 1 minus, what is the value of r? Negative 4. So use the parentheses to signify the separated from the operation and the negative sign. To the power of 5, which is the value of n. and 1 minus, open parenthesis, minus 4, close parenthesis, and a big brace. And equal S sub 5. 1. First, solve the negative 4 to the power of 5 is equal to negative 1024 and 1 minus negative 4 is equal to 5. S of 5 equals 1. Then, solve the 1 minus negative 1024 equals 1025 over 5. S of 5, 1. Then divide the 1025 divide by 5 equals 205 times. S of 5 times 205 equals 205. So the value of S of 5 is 200. Number 3. The questions is S sub 15 and the sequence are 18, negative 6, and positive 2, and so on. First, find the ratio. Ratio is A sub 2 over A sub 1. The value of A sub 2 is negative 6 over 18. Can you simplify? Yes. By divided both sides by 6. Negative 6 divided by 6 is equals negative 1 over 18 divided by 6 is equals to 3. And the value of ratio is negative 1 over 3. So now, we are done the value of ratio. Now, let's proceed to find the n term of S sub 15 all equals 18 brace 1 minus negative 1/3, which is the ratio to the power of 15, and 1 minus negative 1/3 and close brace. So the formula that I use is S sub n equals A sub 1 times 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. Continue. Equals 18 1 minus negative 1/3 to the power of 15 is equals to negative 1 over 3 to the power of 15. And 1 minus negative 1/3 is equals to 4/3. Equals 18, open brace, over 1 minus negative 1 over 3 to the power of 15 is equals to 1, 4, 3, 4, 8, 9, 0, 8 over 1, 4, 3, 4, 8, 9, 0, 7. over 4 thirds. 18 143,48908 over 143,48907 divided by 4 thirds is equals to 3587227 over 4782,969 multiply 18 times 3,587,227 over 4,782,969 is equals to 64,570,086 over 4,782,969. And then divide 7,174,454 over 531,441 or in a fraction form is 13 26 5 721 over 531441 or approximately 13.5. So the value of S sub 15 is approximately 13.5. Test B will be determine the sum of the following infinite geometric series. Sub infinite symbol equals a sub 1 over 1 minus first the ratio. So how to find the ratio? Just divide the second term from the first term. The second term is 1 over 20 divided by negative 1/5 equals 1 over 20 times reciprocal of negative 1/5 is 5 negative 5 over 1. So multiply the numerator, which is 1 times negative 5 equals negative 5 over 20 times 1 equals 20. Then simplified by divided by 5. Then negative 5 divided by 5 equals negative 1. And 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So the ratio is negative 1/4. So now, let's start to find the infinite geometric series of 1/5, negative 1/5 plus 1 over 20 minus 1 over 80 plus ellipses. So, S sub infinite equals the value of a sub 1 is negative 1/5 over 1, the ratio is 1, negative 1/4. Negative 1/5, 1 minus negative 1/4 is equals to 5 over 4. And then divide negative 1/5 divided by 5 over 4. Negative 1/5 divided by 5 over 4 equals negative 1/5. Reciprocal of 5/4 is 4 over 5. Then multiply the numerator, which is negative 4 From negative 1 times 4 equals negative 4 over 5 times 5 equals 25. Then, you can simplify? No. So, this is the final answer of the sum of infinite geometric series of negative 1/5 plus 1 over 20 minus 1 over 80 plus, find the ratio, 1 over 6 divide negative 1/3. 1 over 6 times reciprocal of negative 1/3 is negative 3 over 1. Then multiply the numerator equals negative 3 over 6. Then simplified by 3. Negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1 over 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the result of ratio is negative 1/2. Now, write the formula S sub infinite symbol equals A sub 1 over 1 minus R. Then substitute the value. So, S sub infinite symbol equals A sub 1 is negative 1/3 over 1 minus R, which is the negative 1/2. Then negative 1/3, 1 minus negative 1/2 equals 3/2. Divide the negative 1/3 divide 3/2 equals negative 1/3 times reciprocal of 3/2 is 2/3. Multiply the numerator, negative 1 times 2 equals negative 2, and 3 times 3 is 9. So you can simplify negative 2 to over 9? No. So this is the final answer. The sum of the negative 1/3 plus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 12 plus is negative 2 over 9. So the last example, number 3. Find first the ratio. A sub 2 over A sub 1. A sub 2 from the given of number 3 is 8 over 5, and the A sub 1 is negative 2. 8 over 5 divided by negative 2. Then 8 over 5 times reciprocal of negative 2. We have an imaginary 1, so 1 over negative 2. Then multiply the numerator, 8 times 1 equals 8. Then 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Then you can simplify. Yes or no? Yes, by divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 equals negative 4 over negative 10 divided 2 equals 5. So the value of ratio of number 3 is negative 4/5. Now write the formula to find the sum of infinite. S sub infinite symbol equals A sub 1 over 1 minus R. Then A sub 1 is negative 2 over 1 minus the value of R, which is negative 4/5. Then negative 2, 1 minus negative 4/5 equal 9/5. This is not multiply ha, because we have an operation of minus. So 1 minus negative 4/5 is 9/5. The parenthesis here is not represent as multiplication. It represent of the separated from the operation and the negative sign. Continue. Negative 2 times, or negative 2/1, the imaginary 1. And reciprocal of 9/5 is 5/9. Then multiply the numerator. Negative 2 times 5 equals negative 10. And then 1 times 9 equals 9. Negative 10/9. Thank you and God bless to us.